Today we are replacing a defrost control board. Well, I'm sorry, not a defrost control, gas furnace control board. Let's get it right, bro. So we're gonna go up here and we're gonna do our little thing. So put the panel in, place the panel, and we have to place the control board. Okay, in a second. I'm gonna get it all done. New board is in and been replaced. Adjust the system. Let's get it on. After the 15-second purge from the panel, system inducer draft motor energizes, which is typical for a sequence of operation for any furnace. Then we get blow, and then we get fire. All done.